Hello everyone and welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to basically change your oil level sensor on this BMW 1 Series. This one is a 2013 model. So as you can see, today this is what I'm replacing. So I'm replacing this oil level sensor on this BMW 1 Series. You can see it's just 3 10mm bolts. And there's an Allen key. I'm going to drain the oil as well out the sump. And then I'm going to replace that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that in a minute. This is on a 13 plate 1 Series. So what we're going to need is an 8mm Allen key. Obviously I'm using it on the ratchet. First we need to basically open this sub plug. Obviously what I normally do is you basically, so the oil filter cap, you'd loosen it so all the oil flows down. So as you can see, that's an 8mm. We used to remove that. We need our bucket to drain that out into it. As you can see, I'm doing this one on the floor. That's why the angle is a bit different. And it's literally raining at the moment as well. The floor's kind of wet. So just let that drain off. Once all of that's drained out, then we'll start removing that sensor, because once we pull that out, the oil will literally come out. Now we can literally unplug the sensor as well. Just find out where to plug this in. It's so dirty as well. There we go. Unplug that. It's got the little tabs on the side that you push in. Literally, if I drop it, it's probably just dropping the oil in it. It's ridiculous. Just hang it there for a sec, let that drain off, and then we're going to use some 10mm to remove the oil level sensor. So we've got our new sensor that we're going to be fitting. As you can see, the customer supplied this one, so we're literally going to fit this one on there. It looks exactly the same, all the pins are right. So I'm literally going to go ahead and remove those 3 10mm, and we're going to pop this one in. Right, so now let's take these off. As you can see, I'm using a ratchet. I just normally break them like that. And just loosen them up a little bit. I've already put the sump plug back in and tightened it. I'm literally just going to move this oil drainer out of the way. The reason being is I don't want my nuts, all these nuts, to actually drop in the oil pan. That would be rather annoying to take out. If I had some new ones, would be alright. We don't, so we have to reuse these ones. Now I can bring the oil pan back again. Literally, I'm actually using my hand at the moment to hold the camera. And literally just comes out like that. And as you can see, there's a seal. I need to remove that. The seal's on the new one. So I'm going to put this new one in. I'll just show you. So you can see it comes with a seal. I've already put the seal on. You can see it right there, and all we literally got to do is just put one back in there, because if the seal's not on there, this will leak. Now I'm going to put the nuts back on and tighten it up, and that's it basically. Obviously plug it back in. Just going to tighten them up a bit. Now I'm not going to over tighten. Remember, it's plastic. We don't want it cracking. And then just go over them and torque them as well. Right, manufacturer specification, and then we're going to literally put our plug back in. Right, I'm just going to put the plug back in right now, get that out of the way. Make sure it clips in place securely. That's clipped in place. There's quite a lot of oil around this car. I think it's got oil leaks somewhere, probably coming from the top. All That's done. Now all we need to do is literally just put the oil, obviously replace your oil filter, put the oil in the engine, and obviously run it up. And you can check, I'm not 100% sure on this one if you can, I think you can check the oil on, yeah, you can check the oil on this. I don't know if it's working or not. And that's it basically. It's quite straightforward when you know how. Thank you, and thank you for watching Gab Official. If you find my content helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button, as this will help me out a lot. Stay blessed, keep on rolling. Boom.